So today's quote from Seneca. Seneca, very wise man, Stoic, Roman dude, lived a long time ago, but he said, "A man who suffers before it is necessary suffers more than is necessary." So why why suffer more than necessary? Why? If Jordan Peterson is right and life is suffering and pain, why do it to yourself more than you need to? So much misfortune in my life, much of which never actually happened. We create so much scenario, so much drama, so much fear in our own heads, and yet it doesn't happen. Let me ask you something. How much does something that you fear might happen actually happen? What percentage of the time? And if it actually happened, was it worse in your imaginings or in reality? Always in our imagining, man. Always. And so it's never the reality of what we fear. It is fear itself. It's fear itself. That is the key. That is the problem. And it's the thing that you can control, because you can't really control reality, can you? So bring it all back to now. This is the one thing that you can control. This is the one thing you know for real. Everything else is a guess. It's a memory, a hope, a fear, a dream. This is real. And if anything, that's what life's about, right? Be real. Then you can be alive. Okay? So that's all from me. If I can help with anything, just let me know, all right? Cool. Talk soon.